Hi folks, it's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you might notice a new look with my videos. Yes, I have completely rearranged things. I've moved the shop. I've pretty much painted the entire place. It's been quite a project, but it's done now. I'm back to work, and as you can see, I've moved all the video stuff to different places, and now you're seeing me a little bit more head-on than you did before. So the unit that we're testing right now is from Al in Long Beach, California. It's out of a '68 Mopar unit, either a Charger or Challenger. I don't remember which. I do know that it's a '68 model. Customer has requested a modern conversion using the original connectors, which is fine. And so let's go ahead and turn around. I got it set to FM at the moment. Let's take a quick look at our output level meters, make sure those are working, make sure that both sides are working. I'm using the rear speakers because they're closer to my ears and I can hear things better. Let's work our balance control all the way right, left, right. And you know what? I'm supposed to be doing this while the customer can see me operating the unit, so let's see if we can make that happen. There we go. Okay, rotate our balance control all the way right,
This urban,
all the way left, all the way right, all the way left. I'm gonna center the speakers. Alrighty, guess we don't need this anymore. We're just gonna run it across the band, make sure we can pick up a few stations. I do have a different antenna location, and I'm not picking up as many stations as I was before. It is a work in progress.
Cigarettes on the counter, once your friends, they were my mates.
Tell me about your buddies who are seeing escorts. Those are about...
I'm sorry if that's my vice president and he's one of my best
Okay,
friends.
now in my area, the middle of the band is pretty dead, so I'll just move on a little past that. Okay, let's go ahead and flip it to AM real quick. To switch between bands on radios that were originally just AM, you just turn the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on AM, and we get 1 or 2 AM stations here.
4379 at Yankee Stadium in the Bronx. The D-backs start a 6-game homestand on Friday against the...
Yeah, okay, should maybe get another one towards the end of the dial.
Number is curiosity, sir.
Okay, because I now...
Always count on you.
Yeah, so we're just going to get the strongest one right now because I don't have my usual antenna up. Let's go ahead and switch it back to FM just for fun.
I'll trade and make those records feel new. Music.
Okay, let's move up towards a... Get to our classical station.
59110.
Alrighty, let's try the 8-track. We got some Temptations.
Number 1-800.
Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, pull the tape out. Radio should come back.
Online.
And there's our radio back. Okay, let's just check our tone.
He ended up getting hundreds of job offers.
Okay, you can see that works. Okay, tuning, volume balance,
one
and
young
tone
lady
have all been checked out. We're changing tracks properly. Let's test the dial light real quick. And there's our dial light coming on and off. And so the unit is complete, fully tested, and she's ready to go back. And I'm ready to get on to the next job. And needless to say, this painting project has cost me some production time. So I do need to get back to work and get some stuff done. So let me switch back to my face here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. If you have an 8-track unit either for home or for car use in need of service, or a classic car AM radio that you would like FM added to and possibly even Bluetooth and USB, aux input, and maybe even a few other cool things, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.